Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, hashtag notifications squad from my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, you can tell obviously by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. My channel basically started off with no glue hand sanitizer slime, so I thought I'd bring it back again because we just hit 1 million subscribers, which thank you guys so much again. The giveaway will be posted around tomorrow, Saturday, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into making no glue hand sanitizer slime. So things you guys will need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of thick body wash or shampoo. I'm using this one from Bath & Body Works. Next thing you guys will need, of course, is hand sanitizer. You can use this kind, which I got from the Dollar Tree, or you can even use Bath & Body Works. I recommend these ones a little bit more just because they make the soap in the end a little bit more thicker into a slime-like texture. Need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. All right, let's get into the recipe. Also, I'm so sorry, guys. I feel like I have not been filming a lot recently. I've just been so busy with finals for school, and I'm finally graduating and moving on to my next university, which is very exciting. But I just want to thank you guys again so much for 1 million subscribers. That is so crazy to even say. But first, let's start out the recipe by putting the soap into your bowler plate. Probably gonna add about just that much is pretty good. So that looks like enough soap. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my hand sanitizer in, and I'm gonna try it out with the spray for today. So I got this one from the Dollar Tree. This is gonna act as the activator. That looks like enough. And I'm just gonna mix it in. Look how thick that is. And all we have to do for this recipe is mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. So I'm going to get doing that now. Wow, look how thick this is. Usually whenever I add hand sanitizer in, it's super, super runny. But this is so thick, which is a really good sign for this recipe. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my lid on these containers. I got these from Target and they are adorable. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it and make sure it's working. And if it looks like it needs more soap, add more soap. And if it looks like it needs more hand sanitizer, add more hand sanitizer. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the recipe is all done. Okay guys, a few hours later, here is the actual soap. And oops, the camera's moving a little bit. Let's see how it turned out. Looks like there's some soap on the top of the lid. Ooh, looks like it's a little bit sticky. Wow. This made awesome slime. Look at the texture on this. And also, this smells so good. It smells just like strawberries, which thanks to the Bath & Body Works soap. And I believe this is a body wash, so these make really great slimes. It's a little bit runny and sticky, which is fine. I just can't get over this texture. This turned out amazing. Wow. I'm sorry I'm not talking much, but this recipe is amazing. I have to give this a 10 out of 10. This turned out so good. I didn't even need to use a spoon to mix this up and see how it turned out. Wow. Go try with this recipe. Try it out with this from the Dollar Tree. It's by Be Pure, and this works amazing for no glue slime. I'm really shocked by that. But this recipe was a 10 out of 10, a huge win-win for me. I'm so shocked by how great this turned out and the texture of this slime. You guys need to try out this recipe right now. But yeah, this recipe was a huge win-win for me. I really hope you guys liked this video today. It was a super quick one, but I know you guys love some quick recipes, so go try it out today if you haven't yet. And also remember to check out all my social media. Will be linked down below. My Instagram, my TikTok, my Roblox, everything is linked down below. Also guys, remember to stay tuned for the giveaway. It will be posted tomorrow, as I said before, for 1 million subscribers, which is so crazy. I'll be posting it on my YouTube Shorts and my TikTok, and you can look on there to see how to enter the giveaway and all the rules and stuff. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for 1 million subscribers again, and go try out this no glue slime recipe today. And remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye.